Welcome to 308 Percival Road. This is a 3-bedroom townhome with 2 half baths, one downstairs and one upstairs, located in the Arborwood Homes neighborhood in the Forest Acres area of Northeast Columbia. Convenient to Fort Jackson. Is actually just outside of the main gate, as well as I-77 and Northeast Columbia amenities. So we're inside the foyer, as you can see, of the unit, right inside the front door. You do have laminate vinyl tile, or laminate vinyl plank, flooring throughout the downstairs area. Off the foyer, you do have a half bathroom here before you go up the stairs as well, with a single vanity and commode. Those floors do continue into there as well, and that's just a utility closet with some mechanical components inside. Now we're into the main living space. Off to the right here, just quickly, is your washer and dryer area, or your laundry area. You have full-size washer dryer connections over there, so we can brighten that up for you a little bit. And then this is the dining area, and it's open to the living room, as you can see. We'll take a look out back in just a second. But first, the kitchen is at the front of the unit. It is a galley-style kitchen. So you have granite countertops in here, as well as gray cabinets and mostly stainless steel appliances. There is an above-range microwave, smooth top electric stove, dishwasher, and black refrigerator. You have a window looking out to the front as well. Nice cabinet and countertop space for the size as well. And then we'll go across the living area so you can see the outdoor area in the back. Looks like our gates come open on us, but we do have a fenced backyard area, some privacy fencing. And it sort of lets out to some common areas, actually right near the playground location as well, if that is a significant factor for you. So now upstairs, you have carpeting starting on the stairs that continues into the bedrooms as well. So you have 3 bedrooms off the landing up here. We'll just go through them quickly, starting on the right side. These 2 face the back of the unit. So a nice size room. You can see the closet there behind 2 large doors, so it's a pretty decent size. Then you have a bedroom right next door. Pretty much the same size and shape. Faces the back as well. It's just opposite sides of the wall, and the same size closet in here also. You also do have a linen closet here in the hall, as well as the full bathroom. Now again, this is the one full bathroom in the home. You have a slightly larger counter and vanity there, some strip lighting, as well as a shower and tub. And then last but not least, you have your master bedroom in this property. Faces the front of the unit. It also has 2 walk-in closets. As you can see here, there's a lot of doors going on in this corner, but you can see there's one closet over here, and then a slightly narrower but deeper closet on this side. And then you have another half bathroom with a single vanity and a commode. Pretty much the same setup as in the hall bath, or the bath downstairs. And then last but not least, you have if I can get that open for you, you have a balcony at the front of the unit also. You can fit a couple of a small table and a couple of chairs out there. Sort of faces a wooded area for this particular unit as well, which is nice. But keep in mind, this may be different from the actual unit that you're viewing or getting information about. But that completes our tour of this home in 308 Percival Road in Forest Acres near Fort Jackson in Northeast Columbia. You can find out more information on this home by visiting the website at turnerproperties.com.